So in this video, you'll learn how to change your birthday on BlueSky. So the first step is to open the settings menu. And once you've navigated to settings, you then want to tap on account. Under account, you should see birthday. And to change it, you want to tap on edit and then tap on your current birthday. And then you should see this pop-up appearing on your screen. So now it's up to you to change the birthday to your liking. So you can customize the month, day, and the year. The month, year, and day. And then once you finish with your customizations, you want to tap on confirm. And then you want to tap on save to apply the changes. Once the changes have been applied, you should now be able to tell whenever you tap on your birthday that it's been changed successfully. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.